Amazing Fireworks, and we're gonna go get some fireworks with our dad.
We're gonna give a shout out to Kaylee because she's gonna make her brownie promise next week.
So, good luck! So we're gonna go to our nan's house at night to do some fireworks because they have a really big garden. So let's go check out some fireworks.
What are we looking for? Are we looking for some rockets, some cake?
Yes, really good fireworks.
I've got some good.
Ones that can blow your mind.
I've got Astro Blaster rockets.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
rockets.
Yeah, go for them.
What do they do?
They're nice, big, powerful
It can
rockets.
pull up to the end.
Nice big effect. Nice big effect. Nice colourful effects. And
Ooh, what's that one?
all firework crazy mini. That's
Oh, it's
that's,
got a clown on
that's
it.
100 shot. That's 100 shot cake. That is. Try it.
Oh, I do not like that clown.
That's not.
It's not a clown.
That doesn't look friendly.
It's a fun.
What is that?
It's nice. It's got some nice crackling effects. Lovely little colours. Lots and lots of colour in that.
Whoa.
It's a really colourful cake. I'll show you one of my favourites over here. The Diamond Princess.
What does it do?
Golden Willow effect. It bursts as it comes down. It lights up again in multiple colours.
Wow.
Nice, powerful effect. Quite a loud one. Sure, your grandmother, but I'm sure she'll love it.
Yeah.
I think we should do that.
Otherwise, this is a very. Look how heavy that is.
Oh, can I try and hold it?
Yeah.
Can I try and hold it?
Have a feel of that. That's a very heavy cake.
Hollie, you're strong. Come on, Hollie. She's strong.
Have you thought of that one there?
Oh no.
Jumping jelly beans. That all comes out, it shoots out, and there's loads of multicoloured blobs, which are like jelly beans as they come up.
Ooh,
Wait, are they
so
edible?
maybe I can eat the jelly beans.
You can't eat them, they're not edibles.
Are they edible?
That would be really cool if they were edible.
If they were edible, yes, they would.
It would be like raining
Yeah.
food. It would be like raining food and you can catch the food in your mouth.
It would actually, yes.
That'd be really cool.
Someone needs to invent that.
Yeah, someone in the future must invent that.
Someone might do in the future, we'll
Yeah,
see.
that would be very
I'll be the inventor, maybe.
You can be the inventor.
We both will be the inventors.
You also have.
Oh, what's that one? They have three like little rockets.
Oh, the Imagine rockets, don't be surprised by their size. They are really good. They're good for their size, yes.
So there's
They're-
like a little one in there, but they have long sticks in them.
Yes,
you know-
they go up. They have a very loud effect. They're very loud.
Like squeeze, like
No, bang. More like
Oh.
a bang and
bang, ping, bang.
yes, more like that. Look at them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
10 of them.
Whoa.
And look at that tube at the back is what you put them in. You pop the tube in the ground. You leave these to rest. You don't put.
Wait, why
Don't
has it got
2 at a time. Don't put 2 at a time.
Not. You do one at a
You put
time.
the tube in the ground, not the
Why
rocket
has that one got
If
one?
you put the rocket stick in the ground, it doesn't take off.
Why has this
stick.
one got
No, but
one?
it still blows up.
That's the tube.
It still blows up and ruins
You
your
pop-
whole garden.
So guys, we've got our fireworks and we are going to go and light them.
So we're at Nano's and Grandpa's and we're going to let off some fireworks. But first, why don't we read what these do? Hollie, you can go first.
Okay. It's called Macrocosmos.
It's called Jumping Jelly Beans, this one. And I've been told it will like blobs will come out of it and it looks like jelly beans coming out of it. So I wonder why it's called Jumping Jelly.
This is Diamond Princess. Now this isn't only for girls because it has a massive explosion.
These are 10 rockets, primed rockets.
They may be small but they shoot very well.
Now this piece is a piece of wire. It will not get hot or burn. This is the bit that sparkles, goes down to there and then it goes out. Do you understand that now?
Okay.
Right. Here.
Now quickly just put this one.
Should I drop this?
Yeah, drop on the floor. That's it. Okay.
I don't think I'm holding it.
All you can do is hold it from the end. That's it, just like that. Don't do anything else. Put it in there and you're going to wiggle it. There you are.
Let's make something.
Let's make some numbers then. Number 8. Number 8, that's it. Oh, that's good.
Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4,
2,
number
3,
5.
Spell our name. It looks like jelly beans.
Yeah, it really does look like jelly beans. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the subscribe button, like as well, and if you're new to the channel, do the same thing. Holly, what do you have to say?
Always let an adult light a firework. Always.
Yeah, if you handle with fire, it's a bit dangerous. And also wear gloves! Yeah. So, bye! Oopsies. Bye.
Bye.